In this video, we'll walk through creating an onboarding screen using the Ionic Design Kit. When done right, onboarding can boost engagement and reduce bounce, especially for first-time users. Let's dive in. On the left-hand side of your screen, we explore coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. In the center of your screen, we highlight our thoughtfully designed layout created using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, a phone emulator displays the real-time outcomes of our coding. Feel free to pause the video anytime to catch all the details. Using the Ionic Design Kit, you can create a multi-step onboarding screen, kind of like a gallery, where users swipe through a few screens, maybe pick their interests, and learn how to navigate the app. The cool part is that most of the UI is already designed for you. You'll use gallery components from the kit to keep everything visually clean and interactive. The beauty of the Ionic Design Kit is that it gives you a set of pre-made components you can use right out of the box. Designers can just drag and drop what they need. No need to build UI elements from scratch. That alone saves a lot of time. And since everything is based on the Ionic framework, developers don't have to worry about writing custom code to match the design. It keeps the whole process fast and collaborative, which makes it a solid tool for anyone building apps with Ionic. For code snippets and instructions, head over to our website. Want to level up your Ionic workflow? The Ionic Design Kit helps you build cleaner designs and speed up development without the usual hassle. That's a wrap for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more practical app development tips. Catch you in the next one.